Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video, and it is a video that a few people have been asking me to do, so here I am doing it. And it is an eyebrow tutorial. So I've been planning on doing this a while back when my brows were like bushy, and I was going to show you how to like clean them up or do them for when they're not so groomed, but I ended up getting mine threaded. And I waited a while, I just wanted them to grow out, so then I got them shaped up. So this is how I would do my brows if they're cleaned up already. So first, well, this is the eye lure brush that I got, or a pencil that I got from Ulta, and it has a spoolie on the end, so I'm just taking it, I'm going to just brush out my brows. A few strands that I want to get rid of, so I'm taking my scissors and I'm just clip that. Okay, because my brows grow really fast and they're really curly, so a lot of the hairs just stick up and do whatever they want to do. See? If I didn't get my brows threaded a few weeks ago, I'll have to do way more than what I'm doing now. Here's some more curly pieces that I want to get rid of, because once you put all the product in your brows, those curly pieces will still like stand up and stick out. So I'm taking this pencil, the end piece, and this is in the color, I think, dark brown. Yep, dark brown. So, and I'm just going to trace my natural brow. So like I said, it's easier if your brows are already groomed, like threaded, waxed, or anything like that, because if my brows weren't freshly threaded, then I would have to create a shape. And I'm starting like more further than where my brow actually starts, because I'm going to fade that to make it look more natural. And for the top line, I'm going to start the line where my brow actually starts. Bring it just a little bit. Zoom in. I'm going to do the same on this one. And I have dark brows, but I always get dark brown. Like, I just can't do the black brows. I know some people can, but they're not for me. I just can't. And don't worry about the mess. We're gonna clean that up if you think the brows get a little, you know, messy or anything. And I'm taking this LA Colors brow powder kit. You can get this at Family Dollar for like $1 or either $3. I can't remember, but I had it for a while and it does the job. Sorry if y'all hear that loud wind. I'm just taking the medium shade, the one that's in the middle. I'm just putting it all over. Back with the brush. So now I'm going to clean that up with some concealer. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade, I think, Warm Honey. So I'm only doing a bright underbrow concealer because I plan on doing eyeshadow. If you do not, then get one closer to your skin tone because you don't want the highlight to be super obvious when you don't have on anything else like on your face for it to come out. Taking my Coastal Scents brush. This brush is like just a flat, skinny brush. See that nice little highlight? Then I'm going to put a few strokes in the front. Because when I put on my foundation, it's going to disappear anyway, so I'm going to have to go back and do it. Now, some people clean up the top of their brows. I only do that sometimes, and when I do, I use a shade that's closer to my foundation shade because I don't like the highlighted brow all over, like what they call it, the halo brow. Some people do, that's your preference, not judging. I'm just saying I prefer to have the top of my brows match with the rest of my face. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my foundation and everything, and I will get back with y'all to show y'all the final look with everything done. So that is my brow tutorial, and this is the rest of my face. If you want to see how I created the rest of this makeup look, stay tuned because there will be more videos on them. So I hope you all enjoyed this brow tutorial. I hope it wasn't too hard. You know, it shouldn't be. It's super affordable, so you know, do your brows, tag me, let me see if I taught y'all something. No, I'm just playing, but thank you for watching.